Ignition has come a long way since its initial release, and Ignition 8.3 will be the platform's biggest leap forward yet. We've listened to feedback from integrators and automation professionals in virtually every industry and taken steps to ensure that 8.3 will excel in any and every system, from single process installations all the way through advanced multi-site enterprises with cloud services. With its new feature set, Ignition 8.3 meets you exactly where you are on your automation journey. One of the most anticipated new features in Ignition 8.3 is the drawing editor in Perspective. The new drawing editor allows you to natively create drawings from SVGs and edit them directly in Perspective. And because the interface can be accessed within the designer, you can bind the most important properties of your drawings to tags directly from Ignition's binding editor. 8.3 lets you bring your project to life with animated lines, shapes, groups of objects, and even layers of your graphics. The Tag Historian module has long been the core of many Ignition systems, with its ability to turn any SQL database into a high-performance time series tag historian. With 8.3, we've given this classic an upgrade and taken Ignition's historian offerings to a whole new level, with multiple historians and features to choose from for your solutions. The new Historian Core module includes a number of historians, including a zero configuration, self-maintaining, built-in QuestDB historian. This internal historian has fast storage and queries, an excellent storage footprint, and improved data modeling so you can store data simply and efficiently. And if you need to connect to external SQL databases, it's incredibly easy with the SQL Historian module. Arguably, the biggest step forward in 8.3, the Event Stream module, is a new and powerful way to handle event-driven data from a wide variety of sources. Event Stream centralizes event handling within the Ignition ecosystem. Tag changes, database-related events, alarms, and more, using a publish-subscribe model to trigger on-change updates and notifications instead of relying on polling. The module opens a pipeline of communication between two seemingly dissimilar things: sources like Kafka and tag events, and handlers such as scripts or SQL databases. Sources and handlers don't need to know or understand the other in order to work seamlessly together. This enables you to direct your data exactly where you need it, whether you're using it within your Ignition applications or passing it to external sources. A small yet powerful new feature, Ignition 8.3's new Perspective Form component saves development time for the parts of the system you enjoy designing. With the form component, you can easily create flexible, customizable forms. Simply configure your sections, fields, and validation rules, and the form component will take care of the layout, internal data logic, client-side validation, submission notifications, and so much more. Lastly, with the new form submission handler, you can quickly define when and where your data is submitted. Actions are now part of the form component itself. With Ignition 8.3, we've made the platform more sophisticated. Now with Perspective, no network means no problem. Take the power of your Perspective application to that problematic remote work site with no cellular network and where mobile hotspots are not an option. To keep your Ignition application working everywhere you do, Ignition 8.3 adds a new offline mode to Perspective. Offline mode enables users to download Ignition projects locally, record and submit data, all while disconnected from the gateway. Let Ignition do the heavy lifting by automatically syncing that data once reconnected to the gateway. This feature is sure to have a myriad of applications, and we're excited to see what creative uses the Ignition community finds for it. One of the most striking improvements in Ignition 8.3 is the completely redesigned gateway user interface. The new gateway interface makes it effortless to locate and configure whatever you're looking for with a user-friendly navigation structure and improved global search features. The 8.3 gateway interface expands and improves all the functionality of the previous Ignition versions, including system configuration, diagnostics, and managing all of your connections, devices, profiles, and more. With 8.3, everything from gateway configuration and resources to tag definition and storage moves out of the internal database and into the file system. This new storage method improves visibility and version control in all types of infrastructures and systems. 8.3's self-documenting REST web API is a game changer, making it easy to manage configuration changes across your enterprise directly through the gateway UI or via third-party tools like Ansible. This allows your IT team to use IT standard technologies to monitor performance, create their own alerts, and manage Ignition installations. The new gateway also centralizes deployments with one-click deep link launching. Instead of downloading files in separate windows, deep link launching lets you open files for projects and designers right from the gateway's homepage with a single click. Implementing the development methodology of your choice is easier than ever in Ignition 8.3. The new gateway-wide deployment modes allow you to create and define configurations for multiple environments on a single Ignition server. With different environments for development, staging, and production, 8.3 gives you the tools to seamlessly and safely test, update, and implement changes. To maintain consistency between environments, 8.3 is also now compatible with Git, a free and open source distributed version control system that tracks code changes during development, giving you a better way to collaborate and organize on big projects. Don't go telling everyone, but security is a big priority in Ignition 8.3. With cybersecurity becoming increasingly vital to automation systems, 8.3 delivers a new secrets management feature to keep your sensitive information from prying eyes. Secrets management removes passwords, certificates, and encryption keys from the gateway configuration to safely store and protect your private data. By removing this information from shared configurations, secrets management prevents unauthorized parties from accessing your application infrastructure. These security improvements also extend to how your data moves through your system. Ignition 8.3 boasts new serialization that improves the throughput of data for reliable, secure communication between gateways. The new OPC UA roles feature lets you get granular, picking and choosing which users have access to specific tags, while the latest OPC UA specification provides greater integration and access control for device and exposed tag access for third-party OPC UA clients. Ignition 8.3 updates the Siemens S7 driver with improved support for browsing, symbolic access, and access to optimized databases. This driver provides direct access to your Siemens S7 PLC input-output channels using function blocks that do not require manual mapping or reconfiguring of every connected device for each change. Staying on top of your alarms is simple in 8.3. The new subscription-based alarm metrics aggregation model lets you efficiently collate ISA 18.2 compliant alarm stats at the UDT or tag folder levels. And then you can take it a step further with WhatsApp and Twilio voice integrations, adding voice over IP messaging and text-to-speech capabilities to your notifications as well. Even with all these exciting new features, Ignition 8.3 will continue to improve over time. As a long-term support version, Ignition 8.3 will receive updates and fixes for at least 5 full years from the date of release. Whether you've just begun your digital transformation journey or you've been traveling this road for decades, Ignition 8.3 is your perfect companion in building your automation system for the future.